Oh, it's coming, it's coming. The bus is coming. Hello.
Well, here on the right, this is South Summer Board. We'll see the migration of the movable back and take us over to the...
Then you guys can hop onto the lower deck because it's really, really hot up there. Yeah, the seats are like piping. Okay, welcome aboard, everybody. Please sit with your buddy.
Is this a holiday?
Yes, you know what?
And they moved the Vikings north.
On our left-hand side is Polar Bear Plunge. You want to go visit the polar bears from Stop 3. Oh, this is a short walk down this hill. Remember, Stop 2 is the bottom, so you can always take the kangaroo bus right back up. Also by Stop 3 is that Skyfari. Skyfari is the free sky ride across the zoo. Looks like there's no line right now. Great time for you to take it. It does get you closer to the entrance and exit than this bus does, plus gives you a great bird's eye view of the zoo, and is included in your ticket and membership. Also in this area, we have the 4D theater, a great place to sit back, relax, watch a movie. Straight ahead is the Elephant Odyssey, where you can go see elephants and the African lions. Ooh, it looks like our mountain lions are. You can go find my favorite monkey on the monkey trail. It's called the Mandrill. This will be your stop if you're looking again for polar bears, Skyfari, elephants, African lions, monkeys, gorillas, and so much more.
Are we getting off? Okay, so which way are we going? Polar bear. 我想坐那个。
OK， 你看，
Okay, we good.
看你们家。
This is gonna be super, super fun. Woo. Woo. Yes, let's go.
Wow.
Flying. Wow, you can see everything. Look, you can see clearly the castle, the view of the city. And now we're going to the highest point. Oh my gosh. Look at my mom. This is so beautiful. Look at the houses.
哦，你看看，
对呀，我们到了。
Supposedly you need one. That's what Jaime said. Yeah. I mean, luckily I have one already.
That was amazing.